Hello, just want to do a quick video to unbox my Sony 3D camcorder. Just have it in today. Very excited, and let's get to it. Let's go ahead and get the box open and do a quick review of how I feel about the camera and stuff like that. So. There we go. Let's see what we got in here. Paperwork, menu, CDs, software. We have remote control, batteries, power cord for the charger, I think, yes. And USB cable, videos cable, and HDMI cable. So it's nice, you don't have to go out and get extra one for your camcorder. So, and here is the camcorder. Alright, let's see. Wow. Looks really good. It feels really good. A little bit heavy at first, but it's not bad at all. Used to have a Canon camcorder. Compared to that, this a little bit wider. Maybe 3/4 of an inch wider. A little bit heavier, but it feels so good. I mean, it's really comfortable in the hands. It does have two lenses in here, so I guess that make it wider and a little bit heavier than just a regular camcorder. But looking really good. The batteries go here. 3D and 2D switches if you wanna to switch the mode you want to record it in. This is a 3.5 inches LCD screen. Power button here, extra memory slot if you need extra storage. The screen can turn either way, you can view it. Looks really nice. So we'll get a chance to test it out today, and we'll post a couple videos hopefully online to share with everyone if we're ever interested to see the quality of the videos from this 3D camcorder. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Not much, but at least have an idea, a different video from the consumer who actually bought the camcorder. And we'll see you guys later.